Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy financial planning with personal capital step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on Personal Capital's website. Visit personalcapital.com and click on sign up in the upper right corner. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. After registering, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new account. Next, use the prompt to link your financial accounts. Select the type of account you want to connect, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, or retirement accounts. Enter the required login credentials for each account securely. After linking your accounts, allow time for Personal Capital to sync your financial data. Once complete, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can view all of your assets and liabilities in one. Explore the various sections, starting with the net worth overview. This section displays a comprehensive picture of your financial standing. Next, move to the Investment tab to analyze your asset allocation. Review the performance of your investments, paying attention to fees and risk levels. Use the Retirement Planner tool to project your financial future. Input your current savings, income, and expected retirement age. The tool will calculate if you are on track for retirement based on your inputs. Utilize the cash flow tracker to assess your monthly expenses. Track your income and expenditures using the budgeting features. Personal Capital will categorize your spending to help identify areas for improvement. Set financial goals within the app to stay motivated. Consider goals like saving for a home, retirement, or education. Regularly review the updates on your financial metrics as you make progress. Use the advice resources provided to enhance your financial literacy. Stay engaged with the platform to adjust your plans as needed. Schedule periodic check-ins to reassess your financial goals. By regularly consulting Personal Capital, you can ensure you are on the right financial path. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.